Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jeremy. If you're new here, this is lacomidadejeremie, where I show you guys vegan food, recipes, travels, sustainable living, and all that good stuff. And today we have another sustainable thrift store haul for you guys. In Memphis, there's a new Goodwill that just opened up, and it was so organized, and it's so close to my house. So I decided to go, and I picked up some pretty cool things, and I went there as soon as they opened, and they just had everything so organized. It was beautiful. It didn't even have that like thrift store smell that, you know, a lot of thrift stores have. It smelled like brand new, and everything was so color coordinated. I was honestly so impressed. So I got some really cool things for the summertime and to be traveling and enjoying my vacations this summer. So without further ado, let's get right into it so I can show you guys all the cool things that I found. So first things first, I got these really cute shades, and they kind of remind me of like somewhat like 80s style, as they were like retro colors, and also because of the shape. These are not normally glasses that I would go for, but they were so, I don't know, different, and they actually fit nicely. They don't feel so tight. So I got them, and I'm gonna be definitely rocking these when I go out this summer. So the next two things that I picked up are two cookbooks. So I got this one, it's called Vegan Casseroles. It's pasta baked gratins, pot pies, and more. And it has so much like jambalaya, enchiladas, like pot pies, rice casseroles, dessert casseroles. It has literally everything, and I'm so excited to have found this because everything in here looks so freaking delicious. I also got this one that's like a little bit on the healthier side. So it's called Straight Up Food, Delicious and Easy Plant-Based Cooking Without Salt, Oil, or Sugar. So this one's a little bit on the healthier side, but it does have like tomato soups and potatoes and like teaching you so many things. They even have like frostings in here, so like really good recipes, just like on the healthier side without the bad stuff. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna enjoy these, and maybe we could do some videos off of these, like cooking from cookbooks. If you guys like that idea, let me know down below, and I will definitely try it out. But I'm just so excited to have found these. Also that the cookbooks were actually in the cookbook section at Goodwill, because usually at the thrift store, they're a freaking mess. Okay, so the first piece of clothing that I purchased were these slacks. They're like a light black with like very light white checkered style. So I've recently been looking up on ASOS and like Top Man as like for inspiration for when I go shopping or things I might want to purchase on there. But I am really trying not to purchase fast fashion. But something that I realized that is kind of in style right now are slacks that are a little bit cropped on the ankle. So I definitely picked these up, and they are perfect on the waist, except the legs are a little bit longer than I'd like. So of course, since that like tapered look is in style, I'm definitely gonna sew these up a little bit, and I'm excited. They are just so perfect for the summer because they're so lightweight and the fabric is very breathable. Do you say pair of pants? Because really it's just one. Anyways, I picked up these jeans. They were really nice. They're by Gap, a black denim, lightly faded in the like leg portion, thigh portion. It looks a little gray, but I'm really honestly looking for some black pair of jeans, but I cannot find any ever that are my size, or usually the black jeans in like the thrift store are like too faded or just too messed up. So I just picked these up. They're just a really nice addition to my closet. I don't really have dark jeans, so I picked these up because I am still on the hunt for black jeans, but these will do for now. The next pair that I picked up are these jeans. I'm pretty sure that these are like a woman's jeans because, I don't know, it says petite, and men's jeans don't ever say petite, so pretty sure this is women's. But it was in the men's section, not that I care, as you guys know. But I love these because they fit like dad jeans, like, you know, that like higher waist, or like mom jeans, I guess you could say. And the legs are like tight fitting, so I'm really into like the 80s, early 90s like vibe right now. So these were perfect, especially the wash. I loved it. It has like that farm boy blue denim wash. But I'm loving these. These fit perfectly, and I'm so excited to wear these this summer. And I can't wait to style them. So the next pair of jeans that I picked up are jean shorts. So these are a size 32 H&M denim short. And I'm usually a size 30 or 31. But H&M or like Forever 21, those pants and clothes are like really off with their sizing, so like you really have to try things on. And I wasn't gonna try these on at the thrift store, but I said, you know, a size 32 might be too big on me. So I tried them on, and they actually fit pretty nicely. So honestly, I don't need to do anything to these, and I love it because it's a light denim wash. It doesn't look too old, and yeah, just really nice to wear with anything. And I cannot wait till the summer comes so I can wear these booty shorts. Okay, and the only top that I picked up was this right here. Their selection wasn't really the greatest, so I decided to go ahead and only get this one. There was a flannel that I almost picked up, but I honestly wasn't in love, so I went for this one. Olive green is definitely my color, and especially if it goes with black. So this is a black bottom, but it does look more like navy blue. So I thought this was really cute and nice so that I can wear it to work, but also wear out to a night out at the club if I wanted to. Honestly, we go to the salsa club in this one. This one's mad cute. The next thing that I picked up was this bag. It's by the brand Tumi. I actually used it for my trip to Chicago recently, this past week. So it is filled with stuff that I put in it, but also it comes with stuff already in it. I cannot brag enough on how much you need a small bag like this to bring all of your beauty products, because it keeps it all together and doesn't go flying all over your bag. Even if you use like a tote bag or like a purse or something, it's really nice just to have everything in one little bag to make sure that it's all contained, and that if anything spills, it'll spill in here rather than outside. So the next thing that I picked up was this really freaking amazing duffel bag, weekend bag, whatever you want to call it. It's a very like dark but bright green. It has the nice brown nylon, and I saw this last minute when I was walking around and I fell in love, and I knew I had to add this to my collection. And honestly, this is just great for like a weekend or 3-day trip, and it's so quick and convenient. And if you're a really good packer, you could probably get 5 days of clothes up in here. Alright guys, thank you guys again so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys enjoyed this very small Goodwill haul and inspired you guys to go and be more sustainable, even if you are traveling somewhere this summer. Be sure to check out my other video to see how I pack these carry-ons with all of my summer goods when I'm on the go. Also, be sure to follow me on all my social medias. Hit that subscribe button down below. We're trying to get this channel to 300. And yeah, with your help, we can do it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Te quiero mucho. Nos vemos. Bye.